Hello, this is Silvia Mendez and this is my Enhancement 9 project. So for this enhancement, we needed to do some weekly activities that help us with this project. So at the end, we have the product detail, the product detail view where there is a full-size image display, the product information that we did before, and the product thumbnail image pertaining to that item that was displayed. This one has no product information. So for this, we can see several here that they're the same. And so for this one, let's check this one. We have to check the size. So for that purpose, we go to the inspect element and we can see that the image here is almost 339 for 400, which cannot be larger than 500 pixels wide or tall. And then the thumbnail, which is in here, is 200 by 200. Should be no larger than 200 pixels wide or tall. So to see how this works, we go to the uploads view, and then we choose a products, let's say the TNT, and I'm going to choose a file, which is going to be this one. And so I'm going to upload it. And it's going to be here. So if we want to go to the this is going to be next to the other thumbnail. So let's try another one. Let's go to small bump and let's choose Shareable. We uploaded, and also here it is, the full size and the thumbnail. So if we go to here, it's going to be here. I upload another one before. Okay, so this page needs to be HTML validated with no errors, and also CSS3 validated, okay, with no errors. So in the PHP My Admin tool, we can see the two versions of each one of the images, the full size and the thumbnail. So here I have each one, the full size and the thumbnail. Okay, so this is my Enhancement 9, and thanks for watching.